Hey everyone, it's Colleen with Artwork by Colleen. So I'm going to do a really simple leaf cane today. I started thinking about this morning while I was getting prepped for the day. And though most of the leaf canes, they have a Skinner blend they start out with, and you usually either roll them with the dark in the middle or a bullseye cane with either the dark in the middle or the light in the middle. But then I started thinking about what if you did it with an accordion fold? And then that's what we're going to try today. So I'm going to go roll this out. I'll be right back. Okay, so there it is, rolled out with pieces from whatever. Anyway, and now I'm going to lengthen it out. I'm working with a pretty small piece today because I just wanted to try this idea out, and I didn't want to waste a ton of clay if for some reason it didn't pan out the way I'm hoping it will. I got the idea for this because I posted a little 1-minute video of taking a leftover green Skinner blend that I had used in a previous video and just slicing it down the middle and making a little easy, simple leaf that was very non-detailed. So this is some very soft clay, but for the purposes of this video, I think we'll be all right. All right, so I'm gonna just kind of put it together like I would. Let's just take it. So kind of a leaf shape-ish. Once it's smoothed out, you really won't see the lines anymore. You're just seeing the lines right now. Okay, so anyway, sorry. It's early morning, so I know my voice sounds terrible. Sorry about that. We're going to take it and cut it straight down the middle. And we're going to work with each side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put one piece down the middle. But before I do that, I'm going to make some little individual cuts, and then I'm going to put a piece in there. So I'm going to go back and thin some clay out so I can do that. Okay, so I'm back. I wanted to use a lighter color for the little leaf veins, but I didn't want to go with a stark white. So I took a piece of white and I added just a little tiny piece of that lighter green and mixed them up. And so I think I'm pretty happy with this color. And I'm gonna put that one like that. And then I'm gonna cut one more here on an angle. And I'm gonna stick another piece in there. When you're working with a softer clay, I don't recommend, you can do whatever you want clearly, but I don't recommend going all the way to the thinnest setting on the pasta machine when you have a really thin, a really soft clay, because it tends to break when you go too little. So this one, I have, my machine goes to 9, but I only did it to an 8. So there you can see the two lines. The next thing I'm going to do, put it on this side. You don't need to watch that because that's boring. Okay, now that I've got both sides done, now it's simply a matter of putting the piece in the middle. And I'm just going to, it's better if you use the blade correctly. Anyway. Okay. Put a piece for the middle vein, and then I'm going to put these back together. Here we go. All right. Now all you have to do is just shape it into a leaf. And then that gives you a whole different kind of leaf look. So this was a super easy one. I kind of like it. I'm gonna just squish it down a little bit here so I can cut it in half to show you guys what it looks like. Like I said, I just thought of this one out of the blue. As always, I really appreciate you guys following me. I also appreciate the comments that you have, And when you like my videos, I also appreciate that a lot. All right, here we go. Final look. Let's hope it's what I thought it was going to be. Oh yeah, so I think that's cool. There we go. There's a new kind of leaf. Kind of looks like a tree in the middle, doesn't it? Yeah, that's weird. But anyway, this is Colleen with Artwork by Colleen. You guys have an amazing day. Just one last quick comment. I think I should have done the veins opposite way. If I had done them the opposite way, that would have looked more like the leaf. So that being said, I could probably always just flip it around. That's the advantage of having really soft clay. I can just turn it around and make it just the opposite. And there you go. Look at that leaf, will you? There we go. So it just shows that there's different ways of doing it and different options that you can come out. Again, thanks for watching, guys.